In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ClickFunnels. This process will help you gather valuable information from your audience, and it's surprisingly simple once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is access your funnel page. Begin by logging into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account with your credentials. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to the specific funnel where you want to add your form. This is where you'll be integrating the input form, which is a crucial part of collecting data or capturing leads. Now, after locating your chosen funnel, click on Edit Page. This action will open up the page editor for you. The page editor is where the magic happens. It's user-friendly and designed to help you make changes with ease. So don't worry if you're not a tech expert. The interface is intuitive enough to guide you as you go along. Next, it's time to add the input form element. Look for the plus button in the page editor. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Clicking on the plus will open up the Elements panel. This panel is packed with different tools and elements you can use to enhance your page. For our task today, you'll want to find and select the input form element. This element is key to collecting user information like names, emails, or whatever other data you might require. Once you've selected the input form, drag and drop it onto your page. The flexibility of dragging and dropping makes ClickFunnels incredibly versatile and easy to use. You can position the form wherever it fits best on your page layout. As you're adjusting the form's position, think about what you want to achieve with this form and where it should sit to attract the most attention from your website visitors. A strategic position can significantly impact your conversion rates, the goal of many ClickFunnels users. While setting up, ensure that the form's design complements the rest of your page. Maintaining a cohesive look and feel is important as it helps visitors focus on filling out the form rather than being distracted by clashing design elements. Once the form is in place and you're happy with its look, take a moment to review the fields included. Ensure they're aligned with your objectives. For example, if you're collecting signups for a newsletter, make sure fields like name and email are included. That's it. You've successfully added a form to your ClickFunnels page. With practice, you'll become more comfortable building and customizing these forms to meet your diverse needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and feel free to explore further to make the most of what ClickFunnels offers.